Hello. I'm overall like too bullish. We'll see if this gap holds. I'm trying to look for longs on gold. If we know this 5 minute, or else you can target till there. We need like lower time frame confirmation. There's no inversions here to take. That's the problem. Mm, We are bouncing off this 15-minute gap right here. We have that 5 minute high, which is unfilled gap. We have these highs right here. We have this Asia high on Nasdaq. Thus also I'm trying to take long still here because we already swept out all the draws which I wanted to take. I was seeing how market opens. I thought market will push higher so that I can take short still these London and Asia lows. Also, we had this intermediate low 50% mark. We are into premium. So overall, when I came into when the market opened, I was actually very bearish, but I thought it'll go higher, manipulate here, take out this buy side liquidity, then I can target these two lows. Uh, it just dumped, bro. That's the worst part. Market open right here. We just dumped how many points? No retracement whatsoever. So from here, overall my bias is bullish. We'll see if I can get any longs from here. 716. The thing is that if I go into like higher time frame wise, we making SMT divergence with ES. ES took out this new day opening gap. Okay, if this gap is there, ये पूरा gap का आधा fill किया है. Can you see it filled that 50% mark here? यहाँ पे आया ही नहीं है. So this divergence अगर ये hold करना चाहता है तो इसको ऊपर push करना चाहिए. थोड़ा बिन कंफर्टेबल ये भी ले लेता पर चलेगा. तो या दैट इज लोअर टाइम फ्रेम. Sorry, on this thing, and we are, wait, let me remove this, and also we inverted this 4 hour gap right here. Can you see we just inverted this 4 hour gap, higher time frame gap. So low time frame 1 hour is very bad. If we are taking out this internal low here. Yep. uh, Where is normal? Where is normal? Okay, we are getting. Oh, damn, this nice CSD here. There's actually a very nice CSD. There's one inversion right here. You need to inverse this 3 minute gap, then I can look for the structure right here. We already tapped that 3 minute gap. 5 minute. We are kind of making this 5 minute gap right here. I think my laptop's screen. I'm too dead right now. Thus, I guess is a fake out to push lower. अगर ये लो लेगा फिर if get structure I can take longs. How was gold? Ah, gold no inversion. I wanted to plan longs from here to here. We'll see if we invert this 5 minute gap, then I can keep stop somewhere here, target till here, something like this. But I feel like Nasdaq longs are way, way better. We left out these relative highs right there, relative equal highs, 1 hour gap. If it goes, very good draws. The structure is failing. I'll wait for like 10 more minutes to form structure, then I can play it. Du- 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 du. Why the markets are too slow? No entry here. Okay. Okay, it's swept out again. Inversion, I can take longs. Need to be a little careful. Those very nice longs. No bottom wick here. Make bottom wick. It took out low again. Didn't invert. Not taking this. With 3 more minutes, let the 4 hour candle open and look do its work. Even if it gives an inversion, no point. I feel like it's gonna dump once more, take the slow again, and then push higher. Yep. Let the new candle open. We have this 15-minute gap instead of 5. What is that, bro? Instead of 5, we have 15-minute gap. Let it push down, take the slow, look for longs. Same thing here. Where do you live? I live in Bangalore. Mangalore. Oh my God. What price action is this? Very choppy. Uh, New 4 car candle open, push lower. Very bad inversion, no volume. Do we have bank? Yes, yes, bro. No news. Not comfortable taking this inversion. It should just push higher, push lower, take the slow, then push higher. For daylight savings, the time will change for us or no? Depends. I think it's not this month that it changes. It changes by 1 hour, right? The daylight, when does it change? I have to search when it changes. But it shifts by like 1 hour. Don't tell me it changed. And I don't know. Correct. Come on, gold. Why are you doing this? No entry. 3.35 hour trade. I would have made a banger here. On man, make some fair value gaps. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Like 30-second inversion. I would have taken longs here. What's up? What's up? This could have been a very good long. No proper inversion. We had 30-second. The search, bro. Very good trade. 2 hour trade here. Could have hold it till all the way till here. Or else the side, the slow. Somewhere right here. I'll keep my limits here if it tags. That's good. Before taking out this side. At least this side. We don't have fair value gap, but we have this. Sorry, we don't have inversion. We have that fair value gap. Oh my, bro. Both the case directions are working. No entry. Very choppy market. This is god tier market. 260, 86, 260, 87, 6 1. My entry should have been somewhere here. This candle here. I'll try this. Okay. Less risk, but good reward. I got
Order
targeted right
filled.
there. The only thing that has to hold is this fair value gap. Other than that, nothing is there. But very good trade. Oh my damn, nice push. There's one more 30-second inversion that it has to happen. There's a bearish fair value gap on 30 second. If it inverts, very good longs. Otherwise, I'm cooked. There's like a 30-second inversion right here. A fair value gap, sorry, bearish fair value gap right here. That has to invert, then we are good. This is A plus setup though. I could have risked a bit more. Market is a little choppy. That's why I couldn't rest much. Did we invert that gap? We did though. I could have added one more. Buy two more there.
Order filled.
We did have that 30-second inversion again. Come on, don't chop. Just have to change it to 6. I'm cooked here. I did retest that gap. अगर इधर से पुश नहीं आया तो गंदा गया. Come on, volume has to come. Yes. Why is it chopping so much? Yay, let's go. Stops would be break even after it takes out the high. I'm just watching that 30-second chart. It's dead, you know. 30-second chart na mar gaya. It's going, yeah, it's printing barcodes. How much is this? There's $1,000 trade. अगर ये टीपी हिट करेगा तो $1,000 है. Come on, volume. Yeah, yeah, it is not that favorable. I just like how the price action works. Have very strong bias on buys. Gold is moving, but didn't get an entry here. It just pushed way too high. Stop playing with me. What's the logic? If you go on to like higher time frame wise, you can see that this 4 hour gap got disrespected right here, which makes it ultimately bullish. This is a wick rejection, okay? There's a 4 hour wick. Is high say slow pay. We have that wick rejection. We have SMT right here. Yes, can you see? He has took out this new day opening gap low where NQ failed to do that. Okay, I have way too many confluences here. And then this 4 hour candle it took out that low. If you mark high to low, that's a cane model. So this high, this low, this is the discounted area where I want price to be traded at. So yeah, we just look how price goes. I just wanted to break this high strongly. Then I can look for longs. I took it on fair value gap. There was no inversion right here. But there was a 30-second inversion where I was confident that price might go. So yeah, that's the reason. Come on, man, break that high. Strong, strong. I need like strong candles. एक भी नहीं दिख रहा. My God, bro, chill out. I don't know. I can't say this. कहाँ से आ रहा है? कौन न्यूज़ भेज रहा है? I'm cooked here. I'm literally cooked. Pause a 30-second candle. Ouch.
Stop filled.
I lost $400. What the fuck was that candle? Literally, it made equal highs, bro. This was my break even. I had every single confidence that it wants to go long. Here also, it made equal highs. दोनों देख रहा था. Now I'll go. Expecting TGI. So, what do you think? Yeah, sure. How did I got? This was literally a single minute was a $400 candle. I was up 200 here. Was like I'll hit this high at least. No, I can't do it, but it's a good trade. No, only what's The thing is that if it inverts again, I might re-enter. That's gonna be I know this is a stop hunt. We have a big ass and see, even I know that I know if you see, yes, already took out that low. See, this already took out that new week opening gap low. That's why I'm not concerned about that. We have divergence with NQ. Even I was bearish till a point to look for shots. See, I know there's a stop hunt. Give me 1 second. If that inverts, I might re-enter. That's gonna be my last trade. There's actually A plus setup. See, it just wicked me out and then it's pushing higher. I got stopped hunt. Yeah, it was a very good long. I didn't know. I thought at least it'll take on my break even. I can put my stops to break even. Then it's chopped. What was this rejection? 30-second candle got there. Then I saw like either say SMT 1 IK9. There's no SMT also. This also made relative equal highs. Then I was like, I was too confident कि चले जाएगा. That's where you get mm, mm, it didn't invert also. अब इधर से पूरा भाग जाएगा. I had a nice entry though. See, we literally stop hunt. I'll kill myself if it pushes all the way high till here. That was $1,000 trade for me. Don't take all that high, please. Okay, longs there. Come on, bro, tag man. Bro, what? How did I not? How didn't I get tagged here?
Order filled.
Let's go longs there. Why did I get stopped out, bro? Please. Now my TP is like literally half of what I had. Yeah, candles are not looking good. I don't know what, but by my experience, it has to go till the 15-minute gap. If it doesn't, trading is a scam. It's gambling. How are we making relative equal highs here, leaving that gap relative equal highs here? Wait, if I open this, we have equal highs here. There's also equal high. There's a 15-minute unfilled gap. There's a 15-minute gap. Overall bias bullish. आज कोई ट्रेड कर रहा है कि नहीं न्यूयॉर्क में? व्हाट इज दिस? Gold came to my entry. Can I get longs here? Let's see later. Let this run. Okay, bro. Why did I get stop on here? Moving my stops to under this fair value gaps low. If it takes out this high, then complete break even. This high was my complete break even spot. जो पिछले वाले ट्रेड का था. It would have run very good. Right here was like $500 profit. This was $1,000. Ah, see, now it's going. Bro, why did I get stopped out first trade? Seriously, Nasdaq. Betrayer. I wanted to close partials here. Otherwise, I would have let it run till here. That was my account pass ho jata. You betrayer, Nasdaq. Ah, ah. What was the scandal? I feel like this is probably to stop out people. 100% sure. As a Vic rejection, either say this DDR scandal. Yeah. I waited for the sweep below. It was a sweep right here. So that's why. That's the candle, right? This was a sweep for that 4 hour candle. So I waited for the sweep. But I didn't know कि sweep के बाद फिर से एक बार होगा. That's unlucky. To bit rare, I would have been in like $500-600 profit right now. How much is this? Close to 1 hour. I know. But still, it sucks. I would have passed my funded account. But still didn't take all that 15-minute high. Take this out so I can be break even. There's a lesson though. Here I took it on fair value gap, not the inversion. But I waited for that inversion to be take. But I waited for inversion, then take setup. A bit impatient. They take over and then click. No, I didn't take. Once it takes out the side, complete break even. How can I learn, bro, from starting? Try watching some course on YouTube. There are like too many courses on YouTube for free. Just go and watch them and have a look around on how you can trade. So I took it on CISD. That's also good. I have two bullish bars. Okay, stops to break even. Now it should run. Nice push though. But I've cleared my funded, bro. This one trade. दर्द होता है. Yeah, I'm done for the day. I hope it pushes. Then tomorrow I'll try to clear this account. I thought I'll clear this account. I needed exactly $1,000, and I can't make more than $1,000 because of consistency rule. So I was like, this is the trade which I have to take, and I took a 450 or $460 loss. So even if it hits TP, I'm like break even. That thing sucks. So tomorrow I have to make again. MFFE just launched a 50K core flex for $59. So, damn, bro, I have to buy then. I'll see. What is the payout cap? Did they make it 3K payout cap? If it's there, I'll 100% take it right now. Can you tell me fast? Because I was planning to buy two more funding ticks account because they have 40 or 50% sale. Oh damn! Wait, I'll check. I'll check actually. Try getting it tonight. Use code Gretty. Use code 9. It's fine. I don't have MFFE code. I have funding text code. Let's see how this 15-minute gap. It should push. Once it comes here, I'm a book partials right here because that's a 50% high low mark. Or else at this level right there. Rest I'll let it run till TP. Gritty Sundays also. Okay, fine. I'll check it out. 100%. I wanted to add accounts. Nice, nice. This is the time to buy. I have exams. That's the thing. I have NSIMs from till 20th. So I'll be busy till 20th. I want that 1 month proper so that I can trade it properly. Otherwise, I have to go full put Monday, Tuesday, full put it. Damn, let's go $400. A bit more. Yeah, it's around 400 instead of
Order filled.
800. Let's go. That's partials. I know what I'm doing, but ah, why Nasdaq? I added extra. I never add extra. I was so confident in my bars that I had to add more. Mm, Could have cleared this account. Stop crying. Stop crying. But yeah, I have to change it to two. ಏನ್ ಬ್ರೋ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ಈಗ I'm doing engineering. I'm in my fourth year of engineering. Bingo, bango, bingo, bango. If it hits here, I'll be up $150 overall. Do we have SMT? We do. I'll let it run. But yeah, overall banger only. The scab should send us higher. Will you take risk in our funds if we are ready to take risk? Nah, bro, no. I'm not trading any others account. I don't want to do that. Sorry, sorry. Try growing, try learning yourself. It's a very good skill to learn. Trading is the best skill you can learn. Try learning, and I never want people's money. Yeah, MFFU is 10,000 times better than funding ticks, bro. I swear. Funding ticks, there's one problem in funding ticks. Sometimes your order gets slipped so bad, they have to fix that issue. Your slippage is too much in funding ticks. I've noticed that. If there's a day where news comes or something, slippage is too bad. Array, account clearing. I wanted to clear account soon because I'm risking way too high because I have exams right now. Monday I have a lab and seven. Oh damn, nice push. One more tick. Bro, literally one tick. Come on. Let's
Order
go.
filled.
Order fill. Yeah. GG. I hit a 2.33 restore reward trade. GG, GG. I made a profit of $86. It should have been a $1,000 day. But yeah, the next target would have been this high and then this high. This high is too hard though. This is proper setup till here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I wish, see, I'm seriously telling this. If I hit this trade right like this, my boss was proper 30-minute high. 1 second. Yeah, you can target till this 30-minute unfilled. Yeah. But now the thing is that do this. Draw a fib and see where you can potentially take. See, right now in the 61% is that. See how it reacts. Those are nice. Those two premium. And reason here is we have this order block right here. See, sorry. Yeah, this whole thing is an order block right here. 15-minute order block. It might reject and push lower. So this is a very nice place to take long still. Ah, this chop. I literally had $1,000. It's fine. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll see. I have to clear, but I'm literally too busy the next 2 weeks. Next week actually. Monday I have one lab and sim, then Thursday I have another lab and sim. So I have to study for that. And then what do I have? I have a visit to go somewhere, and then I have lab sorry, and sim starting from 12th. And this account subscription I have to pay right monthly. The next subscription is on like 14th or something. I don't want to take it till then. उसके अंदर clear कर दिया तो खत्म. When did you start trading? It's around 2.5 years back, bro. I started with options trading, futures and options in Nifty and Bank Nifty. It went horrible. If you are trading, please don't trade options and futures. Not your financial advisor, but still. The thing is that you can't manage risk. Arshit Pujar, yeah, I'm from Karnataka. I'm actually from Karnataka. I literally caught the bottom of the trade. I told you, no, this won't go till this new week opening gap because we already took out an ES. Okay, if ES already took out this low, why does NQ need to do that? So, but it might come later, but for now, there's no reason for it to come down. So always try to look long. So we have very clear draws today. I wanted this to hold till 1 hour gap, but I want like small piece of a pie. One of the account I cleared, I just did the same thing right here. But my stops were like very small. This would have been my stop if I wanted to like clear it faster. Karnataka TJR new. Lol. Thank you. It depends on how this 5 minute gap reacts. Because there's a like two premium. It might come retrace very badly here and then push higher. So right here, there's 30 minute, there's this 15 minute. Then there's this hourly unfilled gap right here. I feel like my exit is proper. Satisfied with that. Gold, how is it gold? I didn't get entry here. I would have got stopped at break even. But it's also very choppy. This is literally stuck in this range. We have been ranging in this thing. If it takes low, target highs. If it takes high, target low. Otherwise, wait for this 4 hour high low. Either it has to take that 4 hour high or low and then push in the other direction. I'll show you examples on how it works. Okay. Secret strategy. 4 hour. Either is 3:30 or 7:30. Okay. What price does manipulates? What it does the previous 4 hour high, previous 4 hour low. There's 3:30 candle, it takes out low, pushes higher. Right here, this didn't work here. See, 3:30 here, high, low. What price that takes out high, pushes low. At least target this side, this low 50%. 7:30, I feel like there's a SMT here. It always, you can always get in those extreme levels. This 3:30 low continuation. Can I take another trade? What I got cooked today. Let's see if it retrace back from here. Try longs again, but risk less because it's very risky. Gold, we are getting something. Where do you live in Karnataka? I live in Mangalore. Currently, I'm living in Mangalore. Manglore. It's a place called Asuratkal. Uh, Probably this long is good if it takes here. I don't like that though. This was a better setup to look for longs. We are still holding this gap. This 15-minute gap is still getting holded. But if you get longs, longs bars, this is your intermediate high which you can target. Okay, okay, fine. This gap is closing probably from here. Look longs. What do you think of the shutdown and when will it lift again? Probably next month they have to do something. It depends on how Trump administrates. It's probably after he is done with dealing Japan, China. Right now, I think it's in China. That trade war has to finish. Then they have to go to US embassy, so it'll take time. Because last time when it happened, he was the president, and it happened for like 3 months. That's the first month, so if that continues, probably second or third month, they will open. The shutdown is not affecting market that much. Volatility is there for sure. Today we didn't see anything, but yeah, later nice volume. The gap is still holding. See, always note on 15-minute candle. So this 15-minute candle is closing in 1 minute. So never trade like under 3 minutes. If 15-minute candle is closing under 3 minutes, never try to take longs from here, keeping stop loss here. Because in next like 1 minute 42 seconds, what is gonna happen is it's gonna create this fair value gap. Price usually comes fill this out. Okay, this acts as a magnet first. If you want to go to external liquidity, it'll probably go internal first. From internal, it goes external. So 3 minutes before it closes, always wait for the candle. Here we are waiting for that 15-minute candle close and then let it retrace to where to this gap. From there, scale down to lower time frame, then look for longs from here. See, people would have jumped here. There's a CISD right here. It might work. It'll work for like one in 10 times. Sometimes it just goes, but yeah, it doesn't mean that it'll go every time. So now what happens? See, in 1 more minute, we are creating this fair value gap right here on 15 minute. This is for them who don't know ICT properly. So what happens? Price usually comes retraces into this whole gap anywhere right here. So from there, can look for long. See, people are like this fair value gap is holding. We have a change in the state of delivery right here. Enter longs. It might work. It might work. I'm not saying it won't work, but probability is way less to reach here. There's the external point, right? What price might do? Come here, then long. Hello, 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 hello. This 3 minute did inverse, but it already hit that high. Push lower, take out this high. No entry here also. How is Bitcoin? Oh, damn. Bitcoin is trying to reach here. 111,629. But overall, it looks weak though. I'm bearish on Bitcoin. We had this SMT. That SMT is still holding and it's pushing higher for how many days? For 15 days, it's holding this SMT. But if it goes here, bearish reaction, it should die. That. I feel like it'll come till here, then rejection is good. I'll wait here. Come on, bro. Any more trades here? Okay, see, 15-minute candle open. That's the low. I should come tap the slow, then push higher. Otherwise, the CSD is holding and it will continue pushing higher. We have a fair value gap plus CSD. And this thing, there's a unicorn model right here. For God's sake. No. I want to clear my account in like one trade. There are no setups here. I'm ready to risk high because we have offers. Even if I blow, I can buy new one. Going, sorry, how to keep a meet. If you have any doubts, you can ask now. Seriously, this I'll try uploading today if possible. Trade recap. Uh, so yeah, if you have any questions, you can ask. Why don't you close partials at 15-minute fair value gap? At this fair value gap. Are you talking about this fair value gap right here? The thing is that if my draws are clear, today my bias was like If you're telling about this fair value gap, why didn't I close? Because the thing is that my draws were too clear to look for longs. Had to way too many reasons, so I was confident. Typically I would have taken here. This is like 1 to 1 hour. I usually do that, but right here I had very good draws that will hit till this high right here. See how price is slowing down after that, because that's the high low 50% mark, and the way we consolidation after this, I understood one thing is that this was whole thing was accumulation here. Okay, this whole thing was accumulation. This was manipulation. If it wants to distribute, it won't just distribute till this high. It'll tend to push higher than that. So where's the next gap? It was right here. So I targeted till there. That's one of the reason. So this accumulation, this manipulation. If it wants to distribute it, it always distributes higher than that. This accumulation phase fair value gap. It won't be like accumulation, pushed higher, take this high, then push lower. That might happen, but cases are very less. So distribution always happen fast and good, like which happened right here. So I just put my stops to break even. If it comes, stops there, puts break even, nice, it's fine. Part of the trading. Since I hold it, I got some extra 1 hour, like extra money here. This was new day opening gap. If you go on to like daily time frame, mark out the body, it should have been here, but it jumped there. So this is the flip. So price usually reacts from that nice rejection point. People who catch 10-hour trades, 10, 20-hour trades, they usually watch this line. So that's the reason if it wants to push lower, sometimes it happens. So I close partial there. I would have hold it till that 5 minute gap high. But yeah, it works. So if you're confident you can draw, do one thing, put stops to break even once it taps this high. See how reaction happen and then take it till the next high. I got I don't know why I'm emotional. This first trade. Thousand, how many cons? Six cons. Around 800 I would have got if I would have risked same amount. I risk less here. Every time you lose a trade, try to reduce risk. 100% sure you'll be profitable. First trade I lost six cons, then I reduced my risk and put my TP to moon. Also, this high low is starts from here. So yeah, I'll try paper trading and see how it goes. This one level right here, that's the where candle opens. You can get these reaction out of that. See a fair value gap or tap into that line. Here I could have taken longs. Price push above the line. There's a fair value gap. Okay. And that line is there, right? Tapped there. Just enter long somewhere here. And literally target to the moon. My laptop started lagging. Fine guys, I'll go. Peace out. I made $86 today. I lost 485 some dollars I lost. Then I made it back and then yeah, made a little more. Got a 2 hour trade. This was a high risk loss, then a normal risk TP. Saturday, good day, nice. So yeah, we'll be meeting again tomorrow. Tomorrow is what day? Oh, today was Friday. We'll meet on Monday. Monday I might meet. I have lab exam, but yeah, after that I can. So yeah, with that.